I get many emails throughout the week with a lot of future 360 booth operators who want to know if I have any valuable insight I can offer besides the information I share on my YouTube channel. And so this is an email that I'm writing out to a specific individual, and I feel like I need to share this email with you guys because this email can be applied to a lot of the emails I might be getting in the future. So I want to answer your question by sharing this email with you guys. And so my reply to this gentleman who wants to supplement his monthly income by investing in a 360 booth, here's what I had to say. And this is me being transparent and honest because I want to make sure you guys go into the field and set the expectation. And it's very important that you guys really gauge where your competition is at. So check this out. Dear Joseph, I am glad you are actively looking to supplement your income. Dallas is extremely competitive when it comes to the 360 booth service. So if you're going to invest in a 360 booth, you have to have a creative way to market yourself and stand out from all the competition. I have many operators who booked a one-on-one session with me a few months back that are informing me that the competition is offering really low prices and it doesn't really make it worth it. I know this information is not on the optimistic side. However, it's relevant information worth factoring in so you have a realistic idea of what you're jumping into for your specific location out in Dallas. You can definitely make money, but you have to have a strong business plan. And I don't want to disencourage Joseph, but because I know he works hard for his money and I know he's really, really wanting to invest in something, I want to make sure that you guys are jumping into it with information that's relevant to the area that you reside in, guys. So always scope out your competition and figure out ways, or better yet, look for opportunities. And with those opportunities, is there things that you guys can improve? Is there things you guys can offer? Are there things that you guys can streamline? See where you guys can get really creative and get that edge when it comes to competition. This video was intended for you to really think about things before you guys invest $3,000 into a small business that can really make a great profit and supplement your overall income. Now, I'm speaking from experience, guys. I am making decent money with my 360 booth. I have 2 booths. And so I just, like I said, wanted to be transparent and share this information with you guys. Hopefully it makes you guys think. And moving forward, you guys do your diligence and do your research before you guys get overexcited from watching my videos and just go and buy a booth. I don't want you guys to have a booth in your garage just sitting collecting dust. I want you guys to get a booth but have a business plan to go along with it because I want you guys to succeed in life. And this is only a small portion of businesses that you guys are going to pursue during your life here on earth, because if you're watching this, you have an entrepreneur spirit and you're looking for ways to make more money. And some ways, sometimes it's actually really fun in how you can make money. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like this video so that other 360 booth operators can see this video and really set themselves up to a point where they're basing their decisions off calculated information that's relevant to wherever they reside. Take care, guys. Peace.